Hey, how's it going, guys? Connor with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Wanted to bring guys out to the water to check out a 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX. So starting on the exterior, we got our signature Sea Ray blue hull matched up with the black sports tower. Man, you have to come inside and check out the rest of this boat though. So guys, come on in and let's check it out. All right, guys, now on board the SPX 210, starting up here in the bow. So for one, we have our stone interior color. This is the gray interior from Sea Ray. And as you can tell, they do a great job of contrasting the colors with the black accents around all of the cushions. Then, of course, you'll see we do have some vinyl inlays as well, which give you just a very soft area to touch onto some of the grab handles. Then up here in the bow, we have a really nice stowable area for your anchor. So all you gotta do is pop that guy open, anchor stows in, and you could even tie it off to a separate cleat that's stored in here and have that anchor line go right out the center of the bow. Then of course, as we're walking through the boat, I want you guys to check out our flooring. So we have SeaDek that is permanently installed all the way through this boat. So it's super hassle-free. All you gotta do is maintain it and clean it, and that's it. So when you're trailering the boat down the road, you don't have to worry about any flooring coming out, and same thing when you're on the water in a high wind day. Then, of course, as I'm walking through the windshield, we cannot miss out on the bow walk-through door because it helps out for those cool mornings and makes this boat a lot easier to go out on days that may not have such a warm forecast in the morning. Then aside from that, we got some great console storage. We have a nice little lockable glove box over here. We also do have some console storage under here, which brings me to our fender system on this boat. So we have a quick release fender system, which used to only be offered on the SDX or SLX lineup. But now all we got to do to pop these in place is just pop them in nice and easy, and they hang right off the side of the boat, right where you need them. Then going over to the captain's chair, guys, we got all the controls that we need, including a Simrad NSX screen. It's going to give us all the engine data we need, and also chart plotter as well, so that way you either don't get lost on the lake or you can mark your favorite spots that you visit. And then, of course, we got some very versatile seating over here. Pull this guy back, have a rear-facing bench. Makes it super easy for doing water sports and telling the driver to go ahead and turn around and pick up the guy that you just threw off the tube. Then, of course, where the party is at, back here, we have a 200 horsepower, 4.5 liter Mercruiser. This has a great in-between with power and sound. It's gonna be a wine and cheese boat, but it's also gonna have enough power to, again, throw the kids off the tube when it's necessary. Then as we walk through our starboard entry, you're gonna have a nice little storage area here and also your battery switch that you can access as you're getting off of the boat, which is located on the inside. And then one of the best seats in the house, guys, we have a really nice lounger back here, but also duels as a place where you can get ready for all your sports, as you have a flip down in-water seat. So it makes it super easy to load up on the wakeboard and anything like that. So anyways, guys, again, Connor with MarineMax. If you guys want to see this boat or maybe even check it out on the water, please just let us know and feel free to ask for me, Connor. Thank you.